You don't want to be too thick. Also, you don't want to be too thin. You want to make sure they are is enough. And no wet top coat. Lauren, hello. Hi, thanks so much, Billy. Felazlis. Do I say it right? Running out that liquid gold.
Hey, sales still out. Grab some more. 30% off.
Yeah. I mean, Dom? What's that Dom say? Which one you run out, Dom?
Blue, I think.
Oh, the condensed cool gel. That is so beautiful by itself, though. I should put the rose gold on. But I got a peaches one. Oh, this one on the top of this is so cool. I'm going to use this. Never have too much crystals. I'm going to add this. I don't know what happened with this with Instapack of this. It's so beautiful. It just makes me so happy when I'm playing with this. I'm doing my gold frame. I love to add the frames on. You don't have to, but if you want like to play and make it look a little bit more dramatically jewelry look, you can add your frames on. And you can incorporate with different frame. You don't have to worry about it's like you have to stay in the same gold or silver. I like using both gold, rose gold, silver. I'm going to add this. My AB. It's like size SS6. They look so gorgeous in person though. I think it looks like, here if I tilt it down you can see it like the designs more. I think the picture later I am going to take it for you. It's gonna look so clear. Size 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! Right there. Ooh, looks so cute. I'm gonna put a couple beads tucked right in there between the frame and the crystals. It's cool though because you do this, then you can able to still see if you're using that crystal instead of other color, you're still able to see what is beautiful going on under your crystals. SS6, tuck it in. How's everyone doing so far? Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Oh, I like that. I like the long one. Look like a triple arrow. Whatever you can call that. Where is that at?
It's an arrow.
I must drop it. Right here, I found it. I found another one. I just accidentally spilled my new, what do you call the new love crystal? There's so many colors. I'm trying to remember for all of you. And then I put beads on. I love these jars because it comes with different size. All the sizes, like from a big one to a really big size. I mean the supreme size to the mini size. So you have variety of what you want to play with. I mean, you can put the bigger size of your beads. It looks really cool though. Yes.